In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a trial balance in Xero. If you need a quick snapshot of your account balances for a specific date or reporting period, the trial balance report is one of the most useful reports to know. It helps you review the balances of your general ledger accounts and is often used when checking financial data, preparing for month-end, or getting ready for year-end reporting. To begin, open your Xero dashboard. This is the main screen where you will usually land after signing in, and it gives you access to the key areas of your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top menu and select Reporting. This is where Xero stores its financial and accounting reports, so it's the right place to go when you need detailed figures rather than just a quick overview. After you click Reporting, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select All Reports. This opens the full reports library, which includes a wide range of report types. If you are not sure exactly where the trial balance is located, don't worry because the reports are organized into categories to make them easier to find. Next, scroll down until you reach the Taxes and Balances section. In that section, select Trial Balance. This will open the Trial Balance report screen where you can set the date or period you want to review. This step is important because the report only reflects the balances for the period you choose. At the top of the report screen, click the Date or Date Range field to choose your reporting period. Depending on what you need, you can select a preset option such as End of Last Month or End of Last Financial Year. Or you can choose a custom date if you want to review a specific point in time. Using the correct date is especially important if you are comparing periods, checking closing balances, or confirming figures before sharing reports with your accountant or team. Once you've selected the appropriate date or range, click Update to generate your report. Xero will then refresh the screen and display the trial balance based on your chosen period. From there, you can review the balances shown and use the report as needed for your accounting or reporting process. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.